Let's see.
Okie dokie.
Are you making a New Year resolution? Yeah, of course. I feel like everybody should at least have one goal that they can set and try to strive for.
I make a New Year's resolution every year, and I don't think there's a single year that I've actually stuck to it.
Ski every day.
Watch the ball drop or head to bed early. Oh, watch the ball drop. That's so fun.
I would love to head to bed early, but all of my friends make me stay up and watch the ball drop.
Regarder le décompte, immédiatement dormir ensuite.
A lot of times I do fall asleep.
No, I always stay up and see a new year.
What are you most thankful for this year? Friends and family, absolutely. Cornerstone to a happy year.
My health, the health of my family, the health of my friends, and of my colleagues at Altasciences.
Having my kids grow up and be awesome adults and getting to experience the transition from kids to friends. It's been pretty cool.
What's something you're looking forward to in the new year?
Looking at colleges with my daughter.
Disney World.
My wife and I are taking a trip to Iceland to stay in the glass-top cabins and watch the Northern Lights.
Tricky one, there's so many. But from a business perspective, I'm really looking forward to expanding the ways we innovate, collaborate, and explore the endless opportunities of drug development alongside our clients. From novel therapeutics to new technologies, I know we will achieve amazing things together in 2025, and I can hardly wait. So cheers to the new year.